front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto shortcut. This one. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned black, which means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on this shortcut right next to Auto one. It's called Other with 3 sliders. So when I tap, adaptive brightness is disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!